Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to limit unwanted interactions in Instagram. So here I've already on Instagram what you need to do is you can just click on your profile icon and then click on your profile icon and click on the three lines icon at the top right and go to settings, and here click on privacy. Okay, so here in the privacy page you can see the interaction sections, and there at the first row is limits, and you can just click on it. As you can see now the limits is off in my Instagram, so you can just click on the limits, and here limit unwanted interactions. So if you feel like you're being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. So limiting is similar to restricting but helps you manage harassment from groups instead of individuals. So the Instagram will recommend groups of accounts you may want to limit comments and messages from, and limited comments and messages will be hidden unless you approve them, and this won't affect your reach in feed and also explore. So to limit or to activate this feature, just click on continue, and here this is there are several options who to limit, how long to limit. So who to limit, there are accounts that aren't following you, so these accounts may be spam, fake, or created to harass you, and also recent followers. So these accounts that started following you in the last week, so it will automatically turn on like this. But if you want to choose just one of it, you can just click on this circle right here until it turns to gray, and you can also adjust the how long you want to limit your interaction in Instagram. Just click on this, and there are option in days and also weeks. For example, I want to just limit it for 2 weeks only, and click on set reminder, and when you're done just click on turn on like this, and now the limits or the unwanted interaction in your Instagram has been limited. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.